guys, this is Sherry from RinPac Packagings. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar packs in my channel and make your Mylar packs more attractive.
Creating custom flat pouches for beverages involves a slightly different process due to the specific requirements for liquid packaging, including material strength, sealing capabilities, and possibly spouts for pouring. Here's how you can go about it. 1. Design and functionality planning. Before diving into the aesthetic design, consider the functional requirements of your beverage pouch. This includes the volume of liquid it needs to hold, the type of beverage, e.g., carbonated, acidic, alcoholic. The design should also take into account the need for a strong seal to prevent leaks. 2. Material selection. For beverages, your material choice is crucial for maintaining product integrity and freshness. You'll likely need a multi-layer laminate that includes a barrier layer to protect against oxygen and moisture. The materials like aluminum foil and nylon are common in beverage pouches.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your Mylar packs, please don't be shy. Free to contact with me. That's all for today.